Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Jasmine, aka Dash of Jazz, and I talk all about cooking, traveling, and living well. Today we're in my kitchen and I'm going to share with you my hibiscus ginger lemonade recipe. It combines Zobo, which is a popular hibiscus and superfood tea drink in my father's homeland of Nigeria, with fresh lemon juice, honey, and lots of ice water to make the ultimate refreshing summertime drink. Let's get into the details.
For our Zobo lemonade, we'll of course need dried Zobo, aka hibiscus. This originates in West Africa and is enjoyed throughout the African diaspora under names like Jamaica, Sorrel, and Roselle. You'll also want whole cloves. This is going to add a kick of spice and just a little bit of unique depth to the drink. Of course, because it's a lemonade, we'll use plenty of fresh lemons for their juice, a knob of turmeric, a knob of ginger, and local honey. We'll start by prepping the ingredients that we're going to steep for the Zobo tea part of our lemonade. I'm going to cut a knob of turmeric that's about 2 inches long and then remove the peel. Removing the peel to consume turmeric is actually optional, but since we are steeping it and wanting to expose the flavor which is inside, I'm going to go ahead and peel it really quickly with a knife. You could also use a spoon for this, and be careful because turmeric stains your fingers, your cutting board, anything. You can see that I'm using a separate cutting board just for that reason. And we'll do the same thing with the ginger. You can see it's a little tougher to cut through. That's because this is an older piece of ginger, so it's stringy, but thankfully we are steeping it and not actually consuming the ginger, so the texture doesn't matter. So I brought 6 cups of water to a boil in a small saucepan, and then I'm going to cut the heat and add to that hot water the ingredients for the Zobo tea. So of course the dried petals, the knob of turmeric, the knob of ginger, and cloves.
So I'm going to let the Zobo mixture steep and cool, let all the flavors marinate to room temperature, which is about 45 minutes or so. In the meantime, I'm going to prepare my lemon juice and honey, the lemonade portion of this, so that as soon as the Zobo drink is cool, I can sip immediately.
So I need about 4 ounces of fresh lemon juice for this recipe, so I'm juicing my lemons for that. I used about 4 lemons here, and you can add more lemon juice or less, just depending on your taste preference. If you like a really highly sour, puckering lemonade, you could use 6 or 7 lemons, or even add lime juice. And if you want more of the Zobo tea flavor to come through, use fewer lemons. Totally up to you. Meanwhile, my Zobo tea is ready to go, so I'm going to strain out all of the solid bits that gave us the flavor and then transfer the liquid into a pitcher.
So the very last step is always a taste test. Yes, it is giving exactly what it's supposed to give. If you enjoyed this recipe, thumbs up the video to let me know. Ask any questions you have in the comments. I'll get back to you ASAP. Last thing, make sure you hit that subscribe button because I put out fresh recipes and content like this every single week. Thank you for watching.